Hi, I'm Linda Collada, Director of Clinical Applications for Mobius Therapeutics. The new USP 800 standards will become official and enforceable November 1st of 2023. There's a lot to do to become compliant with the standards, so let's talk about how to get there. Okay, first you need to educate yourself on the standards. Mobius Therapeutics provides a learning module on their website that can be downloaded. The information is free, and it has helped many facilities prepare for compliance. Plus, it provides tools that will help you with your gap analysis, your risk assessments, and your policies and procedures. The next thing you need to do is look at your practices, all right, from handling mitomycin from the time it enters your facility until it gets disposed of. So you need to identify gaps in compliance and plan corrective action. Your staff is going to need training on what the risks of exposure to hazardous drugs are, as well as safe handling. These are just some of the things you need to consider when you are preparing for compliance. The Mobius learning module will give you many more details. I do know that these standards are on the radar of the Joint Commission and the Accreditation Association for Ambulatory Healthcare. So November 1st is right around the corner. The Mitasol kit provides mitomycin C for ophthalmic procedures that is prepared at the time of surgery at point of use. The kit has a lot of safety features that support compliance with the new standards. First of all, the drug is triple packaged within the kit, and the kit itself is free of any mitomycin residue, so it is safe to handle and has no special storage requirements. If you'd like to know more about the standards, go to the Mobius Therapeutics website and download that learning module. I promise you it will help you like it helped many other facilities prepare for compliance.